Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to split a video on the Edit Instagram app. So if you're editing your video on the Edits app from Instagram and you want to learn how to split a video, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, first go to your app store. You want to search for Edits and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on the project section here and then tap on the plus sign. Let's go ahead and post a video. Tap add. So here I've added two videos to my timeline. Now let's say, for example, I want to take the first video and I want to split it into two. So to do this, I'll go ahead and select the video on the timeline and I want to go ahead and choose where I want to split. So let's just say, for example, here at the bottom left here, while the clip is selected, you'll see the word split. Go ahead and tap on this. And once you tap on it, it has then split the clip into two. So you can go ahead and shorten the clip as you like. So before splitting this video, we had two clips. Now we have three clips all together. So there you go, guys. That is how to split a video on the Edits Instagram app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.